Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in GTA 5 offline. To begin, open your map and look for the spray can icon. This marks a Los Santos Customs shop. Drive any suitable vehicle to one of these locations to start the selling process. This method allows you to convert many common cars into instant cash for your character. It is a straightforward way to earn money early on in the game. After you drive your vehicle inside Los Santos Customs, a menu will appear on your screen. Scroll down through the modification options until you find the sell choice, usually at the bottom of the list. Select this option, and a confirmation prompt will show you the exact amount of money you will receive. Confirm the sale, and the cash is immediately added to your character's wallet. It is a very quick and simple transaction. Be aware of a crucial restriction. You can only sell one car every 48 minutes of real-world time, which represents one full in-game day. Furthermore, very expensive sports cars, military vehicles, or police cars cannot be sold at all. Stolen cars usually sell for a maximum of $9,500, while vehicles you genuinely own can potentially bring in significantly more. Always remember these limits. To earn the most cash efficiently, prioritize selling moderately priced vehicles like common sedans or SUVs found on city streets. These cars often sell for between $3,000 and $7,000, providing a steady income stream. Avoid investing time in trying to sell the highest-end sports cars, as they are often restricted. Consistently selling one car every 48 minutes can add up quickly, helping you accumulate wealth effectively. Happy selling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.